Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide to maximize your YouTube views and subscribers. We're talking about the kind of growth that'll make your channel go viral. Trust me, I've been there, done that, and bought the t-shirt 1,000 times over. Now, you might be thinking, Mr. Beast, this is Dr. Bezowit's channel. And you'd be right. But she's invited me to share my secret sauce with you guys, and you know I can't resist helping out a friend. So if you're ready to level up your YouTube game and unleash a tidal wave of views and subscribers, buckle up. We're about to break down the steps to make your channel explode with success. Let's get started. All right, before you even think about hitting that upload button, we've got to lay down a solid foundation. This is where most people mess up, but not us. We're going to treat your channel like it's a multi-million-dollar business because it can be. First things first, know your niche. What are you passionate about? What do you know more about than anyone else? Find that thing and own it. Trust me, people can smell passion a mile away. Next up, research. And no, I'm not talking about spending hours in a library. I'm talking about figuring out what people are searching for on YouTube. What are the keywords, the questions, the topics that are trending in your niche? Finally, understand your audience. Who are these amazing people that are going to watch your videos? What do they like? What do they dislike? What are their hopes and dreams? Once you know who you're talking to, you can create content that they'll love. Now it's time to upload that masterpiece you've created. But hold your horses, we're not just dropping it into the abyss of YouTube. We're setting it up for success. Think of this like building a rocket. You've got to make sure every part is perfect. First up, your title. This is your first impression, so make it count. Use strong keywords, make it catchy, and make sure it accurately reflects what your video's about. No clickbait here. Next, the thumbnail. This is like the cover of your book. It's got to be eye-catching and make people want to click. Use bright colors, bold text, and images that pique people's curiosity. Don't forget your description. This is where you provide more context about your video and include those juicy keywords that YouTube loves. And while you're at it, add some tags to help people find your content. Think of tags like hashtags for YouTube. Finally, use playlists to organize your content and make it easy for viewers to find what they're looking for. It's like creating your own Netflix categories, but for your channel. Okay, you've uploaded your video and it's optimized to the max. Now it's time to unleash your inner marketing genius and get those views and subscribers rolling in. First up, cross-promotion is key. Share your video on all your social media platforms. Tell your friends, your grandma, your dog, get the word out there. Next, embed your video on your website or blog if you have one. This will bring more eyeballs to your content and make you look super professional. Collaboration is where it's at. Team up with other creators in your niche and create awesome content together. This way, you can tap into each other's audiences and grow your channels together. It's a win-win, but most importantly, engage with your viewers. Respond to comments, answer questions, and ask for feedback. Make your audience feel like they're part of your community, because they are. Listen, building a successful YouTube channel isn't about overnight success. It's about consistency, dedication, and always bringing the value. You've got to be consistent with your uploads. Find a schedule that works for you and stick to it like glue. Your viewers will appreciate the predictability. Leverage trends, keep an eye on what's hot in your niche, and create content around those topics. But don't just follow trends blindly. Put your unique spin on them. Always focus on providing value to your audience. Whether it's entertaining them, educating them, or just making them laugh, give them a reason to hit that subscribe button. And never underestimate the power of collaboration. Team up with other creators, share audiences, and grow together. Remember, teamwork makes the dream work. There you have it, folks. The ultimate guide to maximizing your YouTube views and subscribers straight from the Mr. Beast playbook. Remember, success on YouTube takes time, effort, and a whole lot of heart. But trust me, when you see those views climbing and those subscriber numbers soaring, it'll all be worth it. So go out there, create amazing content, and show the world what you've got. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel at Change 4 Better with Dr. Bezowit for more tips.